welcome back to another money making video, guys. Now today I'll be sharing with you another great passive income app. This is gonna make you some extra cash, so get your pen and your paper out. And yeah. Now if you like my contents, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Now today's app, as you can see on the screen, it's called Push Rewards. Earn rewards with Push Rewards. You can earn rewards quickly and easily. Now you can get this app from the Google Play Store or APK Pure. This is available worldwide. And this app pays you through many payments options. Number one being PayPal. Now let's sign in and show you a little about it, not very too long. Push Rewards, people. You can download it in the meanwhile. My phone is taking a little while to load. Okay. Now here you can earn by no. First you have to get your advertisement. Everything is advertisement nowadays. You can't do nothing with advertisement. That is how you're gonna get paid. Okay, just a second. No, I don't need that. Now back to our money making app. Now you can play and earn with games. Right? You can have a lot of games. You have AdGem Afro where you can do surveys. There is Fortune Wheel where you can spin and win. There is Scratch Cards where you scratch cards to win raffle prizes. You can also field capture. That is a very easy thing to do. Refer and earn. You can refer and earn. I won't get into the whole technical thing of it today. I'm just telling you how it goes. It's a very easy app. Very easy app to use. I think they have a 4-star ratings, so that's a lot. And they pay out a lot to people. So as you can see, rate this app. Ratings and reviews. This app has a 4.7 ratings. So all things are good. I have 2 problems in this app. Every just click shows up 30 seconds. So not everyone is happy with it, but it's working out well for me so far. So Push Rewards. Now let's get to the payment option. You get paid through PayPal. So each time you do a task, you get coins that you can redeem with PayPal cards and a lot more. Let's go through the payment option. That's 2,500 coins, $5 PayPal US. $10 cash through PayPal. $15, $20, $25 PayPal cash, just for doing simple and easy tasks, earning coins and turning them into PayPal money. Now you get also paid through Google Play. For all your Google Play fans, there you see $10, $15, $20 cash. For all you gamers, you also have prizes for you too. You can redeem your coins for free fire diamond cards. Gamers again, Xbox. You can also buy Xbox music, movie, and TV shows. So there's a lot that you can redeem with your coins here, people. Amazon gift cards for all you shoppers. As you can see, you can redeem your coins for Amazon gift cards and Steam. Here you see. So why no? So that's how you can redeem your prices. Let's just show you one of the way how you can earn. Here you have scratch card, scratcher. Let's go, let's go. I'm sorry for the slow internet, but I should also mention that sometimes these things let you watch ads. That's how these companies and games and websites make their money. So you have to watch a little ads now and then. That's how you also make money on YouTube. So you should know how it goes. Now let's scratch and see what we have on here. So that's how you scratch and win. So as you can see, I scratch and win something to worry about. My internet is moving. Oh, okay, there it is. You just press accept and that's it. And there are a lot more options that you can use to win. So I hope you find this video interesting. Please leave a like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about this app after using it. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.